Hey guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut taillight film for this 2017 Honda Civic Si. This is just going to cover this clear portion of the tail lamp. This is an air release film, so you don't have to worry about any bubbles or applying this wet. Basically, you're just want to clean the surface of the light. Peel it from the backing paper. Get it aligned. That's probably the hardest part. Once it's aligned where you want it, basically start in the center, just work back and forth, pressing down on the film. This is going to push the air from out behind the film. You're going to want to work towards the bottom as well. Simple as that. This is the dark smoke film. We also have this available in a light smoke film and a red out if you're going for that effect. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below the video. There's also a link to this product on our website. Again, this is the air release dark smoke film, and we have that in the light smoke film as well. Thanks for watching.